Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiallahu ta'ala anha narrates that she never intentionally listened to any conversation of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam when he was talking privately with someone else. However, once it happened that Hazrat Usman Ghani came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam during the afternoon, and she thought they might be discussing matters related to women. Feeling a sense of protective jealousy, she placed her ear close to hear what was being said. The Prophet ﷺ, sensing her presence, addressed Usman, saying, "Usman, soon Allah will provide you with a shirt, and if hypocrites demand its removal, do not take it off. Ask for help from me." Then when I saw that Hazrat Usman had fulfilled all the people's demand except relinquishing the caliphate, I understood that it was the same place the Prophet ﷺ had taken from him. Musnad Ahmad, Hadith number 23737.